Hi there, welcome back. I'm Mark and I'm glad you're with me today because we are drawing a witch's hat for Halloween. Grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, pens, and markers, and let's have some fun. The first thing I'll do is at the bottom of my page, I'm going to draw this curved shape for the bottom of the witch's hat. So we'll do this nice little curve. Then on this corner, we're going to come up. It's going to be kind of like a flat football shape, and we'll do the same on this side. We'll come up like that. Then we can create a curve that's similar to the lower part of the witch's hat. We'll do another one. This will be kind of like a band of a ribbon that goes across the hat. So we'll extend those off of these edges as well. So those come right across. Then we'll draw a line up, and then we'll do the same. We'll come across and we'll kind of join up just like this. Then we're going to come from this point here, just inside of that line, and we're going to angle this towards the right. You can go right or left, whichever way you want your witch's hat to point, but it'll be off to one side. So I'm just going to go over to my right, and then from here we'll go up, and I'm going to stop just before I get to the top here, just shy of that. So this will be almost like at an angle like that, and then this is going to kind of kink over, so we're going to kink this line over to the right a little bit. This one here, I'm actually going to kink it to the left, and then if I draw an imaginary line here, what I'm going to do is from over here, we're going to come down like this. And then we're going to bend this down to the left just a little bit. And then we're going to take this corner here and bend that. And then we'll have the last bend will come up like that towards the top left of our page. Awesome. Now we're going to have like this, almost like this buckle shape. So what I'll do here is I'm going to draw this rectangular shape, and it doesn't have to be a perfect rectangle. It could be kind of distorted a little bit. So we'll taper these lines down like that, and this line like this, and then we'll just inset this with a smaller shape, and we're just going to follow all of these lines, and we'll do something like this. Now I'm going to add some little polka dots to my ribbon, and these are just going to be partial circular shapes. So we'll just add a few round shapes like this, and that'll be it. So we have our witch's hat. I'm going to use my ink pen and outline the hat. Let's use our eraser and erase all of those pencil lines that we used as guidelines. And if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's quite all right. All you have to do is head down into the description, click that link, and you can download the free coloring page and then have some fun coloring this in just like I'm doing right now. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday, and I don't want you to miss any one of them. I'll see you at the next one, and have a happy Halloween. Bye-bye.